Welcome to this very short video in which I'm going to show you how you can create the round image in Thrive Architect. One thing about the Thrive Architect editor and how it works is that it will let you fully customize all of the elements that you add to this editor. So when you try to create a round image, you'll have to play around with its dimensions if you want to create the perfect circle. So in the case of an image element, you have complete control over its dimensions. I'm going to go ahead and select this image as an example, and if we take a look at the left sidebar, we're going to see that we have the size and height options right here, with the help of which you can adjust the size of this image, of course. Now, when you want to create a round image, you can do that using the image style option, but you will have to know here that it is always preferred that you start from a square image. If we click on this field, we're going to open the pop-up with all of the available styles of images, and as you can see, we do have a circle image style option right here. So as I said, it is important to keep in mind that the outcome of applying this style to an image will depend on the shape of the initial image. If the image you've inserted was a square-shaped one, applying this circle style to it will create a perfect circle. However, if the image was a rectangular one, you'll have to make sure you go back and adjust its height so that you can achieve the perfect circle. So as you can see right now for this square image, if I select this image style and apply it, I do have the perfect circle right here. I'm going to replace the image with a rectangular one and show you what happens then. So as you can see, in the case of a rectangular image, with the circle style applied to it, this will turn oval rather than a full circle. So if we choose the no style option here, we're going to see that my initial image is a rectangle, and choosing the circle style will turn it oval. So now what I can do is go back to its dimensions, and this is why I've mentioned that you have full control over the image dimensions in this editor, and just play around with the height or the size of the image until I get a full circle. And as you do that, you will be able to drag and drop the image inside like so and adjust it as you wish. Another way in which you can turn an image into a circle or make it round in Thrive Architect is with the help of the borders and corners section or element setting. So while the image is selected, go to the borders and corners section, and what you can do is enter a really high numerical value in this corners field. For example, 400. What this does is that it will fully round the corners of this image like so, and as you can see, we have a fully round image. As you do this, we always advise you that you go back to the other views for your page, so you also access the tablet and the mobile views, just so that you can make sure that the dimensions look right and make any adjustments if necessary. So these are the ways in which you can crop an image and make it round in Thrive Architect. Hopefully this was useful to you, and make sure to check out the rest of our tutorials that we publish on our knowledge base and YouTube channels.